welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Nyoero, and if you've been here, thank you so much for always supporting me. So today's video is going to be all about how I got to get this hair into a wig, and yeah, without no further ado, let's head to the video. Hey loves, I hope you guys are doing well. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a wig from a free tress braid, which is in the bohemian braid. So this is the bohemian braid, and I think this is the 12 inches, and I think everything is self-explanatory, so I'm going to let you guys watch how I'm going to be installing this. But basically I start from the back, go to the sides, then the front, or rather you could just go all around until you reach the center if you want to achieve the same look, which has the fringe at the front. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy this video. You can comment down below on what you think about this technique on how to make a wig. Is this something you would try out? And also, you can buy this braid from Naturalhairkenya, and this is the bohemian braid, and it's in the 12 inches. If I'm not wrong, one pack is 800 shillings, and I think this is really convenient because this is something you're going to be putting it on not once, not twice, not thrice, if you store it well or if you maintain it really nicely. And I only use 2 packs of this bohemian braid. So guys, this is really affordable. You're going to save some coins if you get to make your crochet hair into a wig, especially if you're good with maintaining crochet hair. So I love my wigs combed out. I like the combed out look when I'm doing my wigs, so I had to detangle the wig at least twice or thrice before installing it, or before crocheting it onto the wig cap. And the reason why I was using this wig cap, it's because it's stretchy and it fits any type of head. So if you have a big head, small head, this is going to fit, or rather if you have a big head, it's going to stretch and fit your head as desired. This is why I use this cap while making my wigs. So I'd recommend you to use this wig, especially if you're not sure about the size of your head or something and so on. And I think I've explained everything that I need to explain on this braid. And yeah, if you get to try this out, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram. I'm going to put a link on the description box, guys. And thank you so much for the support you guys have been giving me. I am starting a 30-day challenge, and this is the first video I'm posting, so pray for me, guys. I need to have lots of strength to do this, but I know you guys are with me. So if there's any video you want me to do here on YouTube, just let me know in the comment section, and let's continue watching. So sadly, this is the end of this video, and I used 2 packs of this hair, and you can get it from Naturalhairkenya. And I think it's quite affordable for something that you're going to be using for quite some time. And I think there isn't so much to say about this wig. You can maintain it with any oil that is a liquid oil, or you can just spray it. If you want to make it shiny, then make sure you store your wig in a very nice bag, a silk bag, and it will stay for so long. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a like and a thumbs up. Comment down below what you think about this wig. Is it something that you would try out? And if you try out this hairstyle, or if you get to make a wig out of any crochet braids, you can tag me on IG. I'm going to put my handle on the description box. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. And until our next video, guys, bye.